All right, good morning again. January the 23rd, 2019. It's 10:36. Sorry. All right. This morning's earthquake, I'm just going to give you an update on that one. The one that came across as the 5 point or 6.0, and then they downgraded it to 5.7, the Emsc did. Well, and the Usgs said it was a 5.5. Well, after about an hour and a half, 2 hours, the Emsc caved, and now it is a 5.5 on their end also. I just waited for all these to come across. Hang on, guys. Let's see. All right, it just went up on the disaster app. There was a 5.2 Central Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Now, this came across on the USGS, the Emsc, and now the disaster warning system as a 5.2 at 6.1 miles in depth. Now, whether or not the USGS and the Emsc keep it there, I don't know. All right. Here we go with the rest of them. There was a 4.6 Argentina at 114 miles in depth. Came across on the Emsc. There was a 3.2 Chile at 42 miles in depth. That was on the Chile Earthquake Center and the Emsc. There was a 4.2 Malacca Sea. That came across on Emsc and the USGS, and that was at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 2.9 Turkey. Now that came across on Emsc and the Turkey Earthquake Center at 3.1 miles in depth. There was another earthquake in Turkey at 3.2. That came across on the Emsc and the KOERI, which is the Turkey Earthquake Center, and that was at 3.1 also. There was, okay, a 5.0 according to the GFC and the BMKG, Indonesia. The Emsc had it down to a 4.9 with the USGS at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Alaska at 23 miles in depth. Now that came across on the Emsc and the USGS. A 3.7 Costa Rica at 24 miles in depth. That was on the Emsc and the USGS. There was a 3.2 Western Australia at 6.2 miles in depth. That came across on the Australian Earthquake Center and the Emsc. And once again, there was a 5.2 Central Mid-Atlantic Ridge at 6.1 miles in depth. That is now on the USGS. That is on the Emsc, and that is on the disaster earthquake app I have. All right, guys, that's all I have for right now. God bless. Links will be in the bottom. Have yourself a great afternoon. Please stay safe. You're totally awesome, by the way.